Okay guys, welcome back to the stream. Today we're going to be seeing if firstly the automations... What is going on with my mouse? Feels way better, what the hell? Automations worked or did not work. So we'll see that in just a second. And then we'll just do some bug fixing bugs as well. So I hope everyone is good. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions and let's get on it. So the first thing to do is to actually go on the website. So this is the tool. As you know, if you've been watching the streams, you probably know by now what the tool looks like. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to click on SEO dashboard and we're going to see if all of the automations ran or if they didn't run. Hey, Sebastian, how you doing? So we'll see. SEO dashboard. So we can see that some things ran, but some things didn't. It looks like we have got some collections made, maybe. Let's have a look. Let's just go on the collections. Oh. We do still have a couple of errors on the staging website, which I'm not really sure why. It's quite frustrating, but there you go. So we'll go on Shopify AI Overlord. This is production. If you didn't watch the video or the stream yesterday, I now have a dev branch and a production branch. So I actually have two versions of this website. Hey, Kenrick, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. So it looks like some of the automations ran, but some of them didn't. Let's see what we've actually got in all of the different categories here. So we have some collections that have been made completely automatically, which is nice. So yeah, we have a few collections here. That's good. Let's have a look at translations. So multi-language SEO, automations slash bugs. That says bugs. No translations done. Interesting. So let's just have a little look at the runtime logs. We should be able to see what actually happened, what went wrong, etc. So these are the runtime logs for dev. It looks like there were a few errors, but mainly it looks like for some reason not all of the automations ran. Not really sure why. My plan is probably just to feed all of this to... oh, this is the web. Sorry, let's go to the worker. Starting daily automation processing 1 minute ago. I didn't change anything. That's kind of weird. I'm not sure what's actually triggered that that automation. There was another one here. Daily automation for shop one, psycho error. Fatal max client sessions reached. So something is still happening here. I'm not sure if this is staging, right? So let's just open up Claude chat. This is the same conversation I was having yesterday. Hey Claude, it's about 16 hours later. I'm sending you the terminal output. Some automations ran, translations didn't run, and there's generally some errors, especially on staging with a get error. What was the error? Sorry, attribute non-type with a attribute non-type error on the SEO collections page. Let's see if there's another error. Let's go multi-language, for example. What it seemed to have done yesterday is it fixed some problems, but not others. Can you see why not all the automations ran? Fix it and fix the errors in staging, then push to main. Most likely the error is due to, or at least one of the errors is due to the same problem that we were having yesterday. Happy Monday, guys. I hope everyone is having a good Monday so far. It's actually a holiday in Ireland, but hashtag we work anyway. What am I going to do instead, honestly? Another 5-hour stream, we'll see about that. See how I feel in a couple of hours' time. But yeah, we could do a 5-hour one. We'll see, we'll see. Connection pool exhausted. The staging database is still using the shared portal, which has max client session limit. Missing automation scheduling translation tasks aren't being scheduled automatically. Attribute and collections, the SEO has a non-type. The other ones didn't run either, I think, the alt tag, but maybe it was because of quota. Wait, I'm going to do a slash compact real quick while it's got all of the context. Continue this task in the next task, next context window. Be sure to pass on everything we're doing, and also especially the fact that automations aren't running. Welcome to the stream, guys. Looks like there's quite a lot of you today. Come on, let's be honest. Who's just trying to hide from their daytime job in my stream? I promise, boss, I'm learning about vibe coding. I'm not just watching Hamish talk shit for no reason. Honestly, I'm working, boss. I'm working. Look at him. Look, you can see the terminal. He's teaching me how to vibe code with his terrible systems. That's what I would do if I was at work. No, look, I'm studying. I'm studying coding, man. I'm not just watching a stream. What do you mean? Hamish doesn't stream for fun. He streams to teach. Let's have a look. Okay, so be extremely diligent with fixing all of these issues. I need automations to run. It's absolutely fucking vital. Don't go crazy and change loads of stuff. Follow the product optimizer, which seems to be working fairly well, although still not all seem to have run tonight at 2 a.m. Okay, so I said be extremely diligent, so I'm hoping it's going to use thinking tokens. I probably should have just done the classic ultra think mode activated, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this does. So overall, it's still kind of not that great in terms of how it's running on the main system, right? It's okay, but another thing I'm just going to do here is I'm just going to say, I hate myself. Yeah, CD Shopify. Is this the right one? I hate myself. Should be right. I'm pretty sure this is the right one. It's the one I have open here, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's the right one. Okay, so we'll run Claude here. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to say, I need to do WSL. Claude, I'm going to say, good morning. Good morning, Claude. This is my project which you helped me launch yesterday. I'm having a slight issue where I'm trying to have a CI/CD pipeline, but because I'm on WSL, the core network, etc., is having issues with allowing me to test on localhost with the exact same system that is on DigitalOcean. Could you help me make an environment for testing inside Docker where I can edit code outside of Docker and then open it on a ported local host through Docker on my browser in order to test? Does this make sense? How easy is it? And can you do it? There are already Docker files, etc. You can, let me just check if let me just check something. I just need to check if the MCPs are still active. No. You absolute. Oh, God, I hate Claude. Oh, maybe it's because I'm in the wrong. No, I'm in the right thing. What? So, like, I didn't even turn my computer off, right? Where have my MCPs gone? Why is that a thing? You can find on my system, match it to my DigitalOcean build, keep everything on the dev, DB, etc. Thanks. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. That's a separate conversation. So let's create a Docker Compose file. Yeah, I'll go down that link. Fixing code not good yet from LMs. How's it going? I'm good, Alphonse. How are you, dude? Let's have a look. Oh, there are Docker files. Okay. Yeah, runtime, run.py, config.py. Okay. There are no Docker files though. Isn't that weird? Shouldn't there be a Docker file? Docker file matching DigitalOcean build. Okay. Create Docker compose.yaml. Sure. Oops. Okay, so on my other screen, DigitalOcean is still connected. Huh? Oh, maybe because I didn't. Yeah, that's true. Actually. This might have it connected actually. God, no. You. I fucking hate my life sometimes, dude. Literally. Okay, so where is this? There they are. There's the Docker files. So that worked. Start Docker. Oh, right. Okay, that should work. No, yeah. So this should create a new container. Okay, it seems to be doing something. That's good. How's everyone feeling today? What's everyone working on? You guys better be working on something. Don't make me come over there. Do you use the $100 plan or the $200 plan? And did you hit any of the rate limits yet? I used the $200 and I've never hit a rate limit. Superior Australian convict here. Is it feckin' worth me just doing shit on a Mac then messing the... probably Mac's better. What API price plan? I'm on the Max $200 plan and I do not pay for every use. Build will create an image, yeah. Okay, yeah, it does work. Nice. That's actually super useful. That's super useful. So what? Now I can access it on localhost, right? Yeah, it's here. I need to go on localhost, sorry. I need to go here. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Oh, nice. So I can do testing like this. Hell to the yeah, dude. Nice. That was actually super easy. I'm feeling great. Upgraded my real estate mobile app to help home sellers save 60% commission and 0.5 cashback after their house is sold. Hell yeah, dude. Sounds like a great idea. It's so slow. Why is it so damn slow? That was so easy to set up. So CI/CD is basically you have localhost, dev, and main. You make the changes, you test it here. You push them to dev, you test them on a live server here. And then if everything works, you push them to main. Bang, that's it. I got Max and just switched Claude code on Windows and you're hitting the problems I was suspecting when watching all your videos, just the time difference, I can't stay for the live streams. Hell yeah, dude, get coding when you can, bro. Let's see it, let's see it. Why is this so slow, though? It's kind of annoying. Same image. It's too slow, like, I don't understand why it's so slow. There's something wrong with the database connection, I'm really not sure what it is, but... I can't have a different database for all three, it's crazy. Let's see, that should have... Yeah, it DC'd, right? Shouldn't this be fixed by now? I thought this was what it was fixing. Well, it hasn't fixed it yet. Why are you not using Gemini? Claude Code's better, in my opinion. I'm still getting the same error. If it's changing the code here, it should change the code automatically, right? That looked like it hanged. When you say hung in that situation, that looked like it hung. I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Not important. Evening all. Hey, Kieran. How's it going? Is there a Docker MCP used to get the logs? Probably, yeah. But the logs are also here, right? Isn't this the logs? Oh, wait. I just... why did I just... give Gemini the error? Maybe. We'll see, we'll see. Actually, that's not a terrible idea. I might do that. I'm not that stubborn that I won't do something. Tired lol was a late one last night. Yeah, dude. Nice. Something wrong with the database. I'm just struggling to work out what's actually causing it. It's super, super slow, the database. There's definitely a problem. My system, this is Flash, is running super slow. It's Python and Flash connected to Superbase. I have a dev DB and a normal DB. I keep running into hanging issues and this error. Can you help me try and work out how to fix it? Did you know that Claude Code you can type ultrathink? Yeah, I've got a video on that. It's great. I have actually tried it with this error as well. God damn, what is going on? It's so slow. Oh wait, is it no, it's surely not oh. I thought it had changed the port. Why is it still saying that port? Yo, from now on, I'm working on Docker. You can check the Docker compile files. Make sure it's using the dev branch. Wait, is Docker connected to GitHub? Yeah, right. It does a git pull, right? That's the first thing it does. Is that where it's getting the code from? It should be, right? Uh, uh. Oh my god, I'm the worst person for fucking security. It's actually insane. It's not coming from GitHub. So where the hell does the code come from? Where does the code come from for Docker? Oh, sorry. No, docker.ignore, no. Huh? How does it know what code to run? I'm so confused. No, it's getting it from local. Oh, okay. So why isn't it working? Is there a region issue with Superbase? Possibly. That might not be a terrible shout, to be honest with you, but it does seem to be. So if it does that, why would this not already be updated to? It says port 5432. Why? I just ran it on doc and got this still. Not sure why the port didn't change. Question mark. From local, it mounts your current dir interaction loop, the Docker container. So why did it? That's so weird, dude. I see the issue. Your Docker composes you. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Then. Ah, God's sake, dude. I'm gonna get fucking hacked, boys. If I do, you'll know what happened. I'll have to start a new channel. You guys will remember me, right? Nah, most of these are old passwords anyway. I gave Claude an API for a Gemini agent, set up an N8N, and gave it the link for crawl for AI docs and how to use the API together. They built a script to scrape out and format data for my directory site. Hell yeah, dude. Nice, good work. I would argue you would be able to do the same thing inside Claude Code more efficiently, but you know. I hate Facebook, dude. I don't have a Facebook account. Just let me see. Oh God, who uses Facebook, man? It's crazy, right? To make sure to mount the code as a volume in dev mode, so it'll have all the changes we need without needing to rebuild the image. We'll do that in a sec once I've got it to work. Yes, I already made those changes. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so prod staying on shared pooler is fine. Is that what we're saying? Yeah, right. We haven't really been having those issues on prod as far as I know. Should probably check that. But... Oh, I'm on incognito. Let's see on prod if we're actually having issues. And then let's see what Okay, so it says that it's made those changes. Let's see. Let's see how prod's doing as well. Okay, yeah, that did actually work. I logged in on localhost. Perfect. That's amazing. I can actually do things here. If you don't know, yesterday, guys, I added technical SEO to this system. It's pretty nice. Prod works. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. So that means everything else seems to be running now. All the stuff that didn't run before. Oh, yeah, look at it go. Why didn't this happen on prod? Should prod not have just done this? Celery test receive errors. Okay. So these are all just bloody going for it right now, right? Is that what's happening? Yeah, look, they all just started. One skipped. Oh, it actually did a translation. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so it is actually, something was like blocking it yesterday. Why not Claude Code today? I'm using Claude Code. 1 second, guys. Let me just work out what the hell is going on here. Why did prod not work? Shouldn't prod have done all this? Did the jobs run overnight? Some did, yeah, but some didn't. I'm just trying to work out what the hell. So there's something wrong with translation. Okay, nice. The weird thing is after these changes, everything is running from last night. But why didn't prod run last night? Did you? Oh wait, never mind. I can just push dev. But why didn't prod do this? Seems the what? Seems the database needs to be on 6543 to run. Maybe make prod work the same way. Also, I'm still getting some translation issues, but other automations seem to be running. Continue bug fixing and making the app in fully working position. Bro, I think you need to fix your file trees paths. I'm working on CI/CD, dude. It's complicated stuff. I literally just started yesterday with CI/CD, so it is what it is. Like I do the best I can. Things are running though, which is good. You can see all of these things should have run last night, but now they're running now. It seems to be doing some mad shit right now. No new tags found. Tags that have already had collections, blue codes, get on menswear. Okay, everything is running. That's actually really nice. It's just, I need to do a big reset, and I need to not use the same store in prod and dev when I'm playing around with stuff. But I mean, this looks pretty promising. I'm not gonna lie. It's like, this is like everything that should have ran last night, right? I think it's not good to store all file in one place. A pretty good system. Also try to create smaller files. I'm trying to build a tool though. I can't just use smaller files. It needs to read all this. What am I supposed to do? Split it up into different components? That seems more complicated. I like the system I have here. I'm fine, I think. This does seem like a lot of tasks. Seems to just be going round and round. Yesterday was an insane day for views on the channel. Jesus. Crazy. 25,000 views in a day. That's really, really good. I do have to go make a video after this as well. I don't know what to make a video on. Don't forget to like the live all. Yep, if you can. I'd appreciate it. Smaller files help humans checking the code. Not sure if, since it's AI, I don't think it matters much. It's definitely, it would be advantageous to have a smaller amount of files, because then I could use, I would use less context, but, you know, it is what it is. I'm sure I could exclude some of these files as well. I think that would also be a good idea, but I'm fine with the current system I have. It's working well, so, you know, if it ain't broke and all that. Hamish, how many cents are you earning per second overall right now? I have no idea. Do I have to do this compose down thing every time? What did you say I had to do? What? Make a volume? It's not that slow. I mean, this is still way faster than watching it build on, what's it called? Okay. Queuing products, all stays queued, will start after 3 minutes. Day limit. Looks like everything's working. Test your internet speed. It should be pretty good. I don't want to show my IP though. I'll do it on another screen. Wait, I'll do it now. Unless you're trying to get my IP, in which case fair play, let's try. Holy fuck! What? Huh? Yo, my fucking speed is insane. What the hell? Wait, fucking hashtag island, dude. What the fuck? You can't see my IP here, right? Look at that. 939.81. What? That's almost a gigabyte a second. I've only ever had like 20 megabytes a second max. That I've never seen a number like that. Oh shit, wait. Fuck, did I just get fucking... Yeah, you guys just saw my IP rip. Great. Well, enjoy DDoS and me if anyone does. You're in the mainframe. Dude, crazy. I didn't realize I had so much internet speed. What the hell? Wasn't expecting that. Do you think this file system like this works with WooCommerce too? It will work. I could make it work with WooCom, yeah. Okay, so what's it actually doing here? Because it's now just spamming me, and that's not really kind of what I wanted. Okay, so is it actually doing stuff? Because it seems to just be looping. Translation failed. Translation failed, failed, failed. What's it doing? Just run a compact now. Are you kidding me? Hit the like button, everyone. Yeah, please do. I don't know if it actually helps, but probably does. This is way too many console logs. Hasn't actually done anything either. It's just looped. What is going on? It's just going absolutely crazy suddenly. The fuck? It's just going on a mad one here. Is it stopped? No. Oh, I think I might know why it is. No. Quota exceeded. Yes, so stop. See, is it actually doing stuff? Zero products optimized, zero failed. I think I can see what the issue is. It's getting worse, Jesus. Has it actually optimized anything at any point? I hate it when it says you're absolutely right. When it says you're absolutely right, you may as well just turn your computer off and go outside because it's about to code some absolute bullshit. What do you think about augment code? It's pretty good. Yeah, I do like augment code. It's pretty powerful. I wouldn't be adverse to like opening this up in another project, to be fair, like augment code and being like, dude, please, can you just actually fix this? I might do that, you know, if this doesn't get fixed soon, I might like try something else. I love Claude Code, but like maybe there's certain things that this scheduling shit has been a bit of a nightmare, to be honest with you. I didn't think it would be so hard. It's so funny because like in our heads we're like, how hard can it be to put a task list and then get something to then do the tasks at a certain time? But then like entire systems have been built around this concept. That's what we don't get. Like we're like, oh, it must be easy. What the fuck? I could build a system. And then it's like, well, yeah, exactly. You have to build a system. That's the whole point. You need a system that will be able to handle something like that. Going completely mad this. It's just going around the same product over and over. Maybe that might also be the issue. Let's have a look, actually. I can probably check that. The way to check that would be to find a product ID. So, task create collection, shop, product optimization, task optimize all products. Success true, total 51, optimize 0, failed 0. Let's see, we'll see. Yeah, I might stick this in augment code soon, to be fair, because I'm getting quite frustrated with it just not fixing it. Like, I have no idea what it's doing right now. It could be doing anything. I'm pretty tempted to throw this in augment code now that you've mentioned it. It's easy when you don't know anything, hard when you know a little, easy when you know a lot. Yeah, true. I know like a fair amount now, so it's really hard. Like, I really just, I'm not enjoying the fact that it's not said I found the issue or whatever. It's just taking me on my word. Something to do with quotas, I think. I saw product earlier. Wait, product. Yeah, I'll definitely give Augment a whirl if this doesn't fix itself soon. I'm definitely getting frustrated. I'm just not sure what it's actually doing right now. Perfect, the issue is clear now. The problem is the check automation is running as a fallback. It's re-triggering daily automations for all shops at 2 a.m., which creates a cascade of bulk optimization tasks. Plus, individual tasks have excessive delays. Found the culprit is requeuing daily on 2 a.m. Let me also check individual task delay. It's meant for workflows like you're trying to create. Yeah, I know. I'm definitely tempted to use it. Okay, so it's actually managed to get through to the products, right? Yeah, it has. That actually did do something different. Let's see if it actually does anything here. Images without alt text 4. Starting processing up to 1 image per product. It's just spamming over and over and over, yeah. Okay, so it looks like it has actually managed to work that out. So let's see. The issue is probably in the DB and not a code issue. Don't like the sound of that. Let's give it a little chance here. Okay. Oh yeah, true, because this is to do with database. True. Oh yeah, true actually. Fucking hell, I hate terminal. Who made terminals? They need bloody... Oh my god, fucking terminals, dude. Oh wait, I just cancel it. It's clearly not working still. Yeah, I think you're right, actually. It might be like a bad state. That actually makes sense. Maybe like bad state, question mark? Oh, yes, of course. That's exactly what the problem is. You're so right. Let me just delete your database and all of your data for no fucking reason. There we go. I did it. Yes, you're right. It's database related. The issue is multiple daily automated tasks are running simultaneously and they're all querying the same 25 products repeatedly. Wait, I can run that command. It should already have duplicate prevention. I'm not really sure what the hell is going on here. I feel like the entire system broke a bit when I put it online. But I don't know what the hell happened yesterday. I had a video that was just getting 1,000 views an hour and then just for no reason. I've never seen that before. Like in 1 hour, it went from 1,000 views to 154 views an hour. That's crazy. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Augment Code just added Claude Opus. Yeah. I might just say to Augment fix this shit. I might just try that. It is right here. I'm not paying for it though. Ah, you sons of bitches. What do you want from me, eh? Bloody money, is it? Bloody money, is it? It's always money with you guys, isn't it? How dare you community plan 50 messages a month? Well, yeah. Cheers, mate. Don't mind if I do, mate. Right, so is that... A little free plan, is it? I only need like a few chats, like... Nice. I actually got indexed, that's pretty cool. Okay. Hi. Wait. Can I set the model or is it automated? Fuck it. It's free, dude. You get 50 free ones a month, so you may as well. So how many messages is this? Is that one message or is that two messages? That's what I need to know. Like, is that three or is that one? That's the most important question. Okay, so let's have a look. Wait, based on my analysis yesterday, I can see several other running conflicting scheduling. You have multiple scheduling approaches: dynamic per shop scheduling, manual 10-minute delays, individual shop automation times, missing automation. The systems are organized. Shops act. Interesting. Potential duplicate tasks, multiple entry points. They will implement perfect 20-minute interval scheduling system that updates the user shop. Okay. Fix dynamic scheduling, add 20-minute interval, update shop registration logic, remove conflicting scheduling. Okay. What does augment code do differently? We're about to find out. Sometimes it just takes a fresh pair of eyes, right? God, my internet speed is crazy. I can't believe how good it is. I should really be streaming on Twitch at the same time. I didn't realize my internet was that good. YouTube, dude. Oh, that's quite helpful. Let me create a utility script to redistribute existing shops to proper 20-minute intervals. It's pretty helpful. Thanks for that. Okay. So then this breaks anything, you can still reset from GitHub. Yeah, because I haven't pushed anything. I still have a stable dev branch. I can pull from dev at any time and I have a stable, kind of stable. I should have pushed the fixes before, but now let me add a method to the user shop model to help with schedule management. I don't need a readme, bro. Hmm. Okay, so each shop is assigned a new shop to automatically get the next available time slot. Systems runs at 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. Shop starts at 4. Celery beat dynamically loads schedules based on enabled automations. Each shop runs all enabled automations, clean up old shops, fetch search console metrics, shop automation. Okay, this looks pretty damn good. How it works. Okay, dynamic schedule generation. check current schedules. That's pretty nice, actually. So can I run that? Oh right, I need to run that on Docker. Okay, that's okay. So let's just keep all. Oh, I haven't actually. Okay, I need to run it on Docker. That's fine. So let's test this out. Let's see if augment code managed to smash this or not. This would be really nice if it just fixed everything. Wait, but how do I run a command inside this? Where's the terminal of this? Inside Docker? Nah. Wait, where's the terminal? Yeah, exactly. Um, right. I need to run these commands. No, wait, oh, I need that fucking error. Bro, so frustrating. Oh, it's got an S on the end. Are you fucking serious? Bro, like, this might be the issue. I see the issue. Config data is being stored as a string instead of a dictionary in your database. That sounds like that might be the whole problem, right? That would probably cause the entire issue. Because it's using dev database. Is it using dev database? Yeah, because it's. Ah, that's what's causing the issue. I've just understood. You're right, it's database related. It's getting stored as a. It might actually just be fixing it, right? Oh, yeah, I think it's fixing it. Hamish is going to be rain. It's going to rain. Be careful. Be careful of what? I think this is what's actually causing the issue. Okay. I really wish you could copy and paste here. Oh, you can. Wait. Control Shift V works. Ugh, stop making small errors, dude. What? None of that shit works. Beautiful. What does this want me to do? Where are the other commands here? Oh, here we go. Sorry. I've already run that one. Let's see if these fix it. Still going crazy, but I feel like we're getting somewhere. Okay. Have I completely broken my entire system? This is fucked, guys. This is what we call an absolutely scuffed dev session. This is awful. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Way too much. Docker compose exec shop. Is that what I need to run? Am I just not even? Well, it seems to have found the error here. Let's give it a chance. If I have to jump onto augment code occasionally, I will pay for that shit. I don't care. It'd be nice to have like a second brain that I can jump to. I could try client as well at some point, I guess, but the indexing code base is pretty nice here. Claude Code is having an off day, or it just can't see the bigger picture, or I'm not really sure why, but yeah, I'm not sure why it can't fix this error, but I'm just trying to. I feel like what's needed now is an extra pair of eyes. If I could use Replit, I'd use Replit, but I'm not sure how to import things to Replit. I kind of like having these scripts because I can run them on prod whenever I need to, if needed. Why do I need to run down first? It's still going absolutely crazy. In God's name is happening? Still getting spammed, bruh. Please. This is crazy. I don't know what the fuck is happening right now. Ugh, I really have to write that manually again. Are you kidding me? Python 3 clear task queue.py. Yes. Oh, for fuck's sake, please, bro. I'm going crazy. This is crazy. This is so shit. This is so shit. I'm just getting error after error. Okay, I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull from dev and we're just going to go back to normal. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Sometimes you just have to admit defeat. Are you seriously making me log in, you piece of shit? I hate Claude. Ah, we finally hit a bit of a wall here, guys. Happens to everyone. We keep going, we keep going. MCPs are still connected, that's a good sign. Hi all, hey Carl. Okay, GitHub. Let's just start this shit again. I should have a fairly stable dev branch. So I should be able to just do, okay, so let's just say, pull my code from GitHub. I need the dev branch, check memory to understand what we're working on. Okay, so let's just go back to dev branch real quick. Let's just, for now, I'm pretty sure the problem was being caused by something to do with what's it called? Docker, right? There was some weird thing going on. Because I'm not getting spammed massively here, right? No. So what is this? This is yeah, doing vibe coding on stream with my voice would be like, I can't think of a comparison, but it wouldn't be very, I don't think it'd be very entertaining. Check worker, oh yeah, true. Thanks for that. Oh, I am getting spammed. Nice. Oh, baby. Oh, but these actually might be legit. Oh, no, they're not. Oh, maybe they are. No, they're not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Worker 47. I think I know what the issue is. I actually think I might know what the issue is. So wait, I need to go on dev to make sure the same thing's happening on dev real quick. I think I know what the issue is, guys. It's fine. I think I've worked it out. You were right, Kenrick. Definitely database related. Look, we're on worker 48. Like, what is going on? Okay, so I think I know what the problem is. Yeah, we changed to a new thing, and now it's. Wait. Hi, we're working on dev to push to main. There's an issue right now where automation tasks aren't actually starting. So I don't actually have a stable dev branch right now. This is fucked, dude. Let's activate your alien super human super intelligent with ultra mega super duper think mode. You will analyze everything here and understand why suddenly we're on worker 48. You have Superbase access to both dev and prod. There is some kind of database issue, I think. But the main tasks are being created, then looping through quota or something, and not actually starting the individual tasks. And I'm getting spammed by these messages. If you look, on worker 48, so it's looped 48 times through all automation tasks and not started a single task. Use Superbase and digital ocean CPUs to fix. Actually, wait, I could probably do a slightly longer message there. You can also log strong. Yeah. Hopefully he knows what DO is. Wow, goddamn. 56 people are here on a Monday to watch me. It's crazy. You guys better be doing some goddamn work. Don't make me come over there. Who's working? Come on. Who's grinding? So Claude's connect to the database with Superbase. Tell it to read the, yeah. Working on a Valorant skin viewer website. Pretty interesting. Does Valorant have an API? I guess so, right? I'm waiting on AI to tell me it's done so I can tell her that it's not done. Nice. Using Claude Code. I'm gonna go to the toilet real quick, guys. Won't be long. Okay, I'm back. The quota system is broken. Yeah. Okay, good. Ultra think mode seems to have come in clutch here. Plus a little bit of bug fixing on my end, and also Kenrick. I would have absolutely given up after this bug. Nah, you can't give up, dude. Oh, I understand what the problem is. So the quota is exhausted. Uh, estimated monthly cost $4. Like, why is that not gone up? So weird, dude. We can't be giving up when we've got these tools. Like, I understand what you mean. I've had really annoying bugs in the past. If I didn't have Claude Code, I would say that I would have just given up by now. I even tried augment code, but it doesn't seem to have helped. So I reset everything. So why would it even be doing that? That's crazy. What? 640 products optimized. So weird. The quote wasn't even full. Oh, you know it was. The collections weren't though. Why was that not running? Quote logic error. The quote service checks product from result. Just anonymous, but it exists with automate zero because it doesn't wait for subtasks. The grind don't stop. Hell yeah, exactly. Today's a holiday in Ireland, and I'm here, so. Oh, what? Why is it suddenly working? What the fuck? I didn't change anything. What? What? That's so random. It suddenly just what? Is that not just the most random thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Why would it just suddenly just work? But it just suddenly worked. But I didn't change anything. I haven't pushed any changes or anything. It's just suddenly just actually just doing what it was supposed to. The fuck? So what if I fix this translation issue? Oh, this is prod, that's why. No, it's staging. So random, dude. That was weird. Did it push? I don't think so. Last deployed about an hour ago. Randomly started working. No idea, dude. Yeah, look, it's updating. So random, dude. I have no idea. Maybe it was the changes that Claude Go did to the database before. I think it did some stuff in the database, right? That's probably why, actually. Let me just compact first. This is all working, which is great. I haven't seen this before. Daily automation. I feel like it made changes to the database, and that's what fixed it. So did it make some more collections? That's all it. This is obviously still super disorganized and stuff. I need it to work, but it made no collections whatsoever. The fuck? And it's just doing loads of alt text optimizations. It's just going crazy. The hell, dude? Stop. Okay, that should be it. That's 25. You need to stop. Why is it still going? Also, collections isn't working. Ah, Susanna's calling me. Hang on. What's up? I'm back. Sorry about that. Is there audio? There was audio. I was just on the phone. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Let's see. It's actually kind of cold. Oh God, it's raining. Oh God, the rain is everywhere. Oops. Look at the birds. They're loving it. I cut the grass today. They're loving it. Luckily, my cat can't go outside when it's pissing it down. Otherwise, those cats, birds would get bloody caught for sure. It's actually freezing suddenly. What the hell? I warned you. Yeah, I know. Oh well, happens. So this resets everything from Redis. I think the problem that I'm running into is that I've got prod, dev, local, all on the same Redis cache. So I feel like once I reset this and put all the automations on, I think we'll be good to go. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test very easily. I'm not really sure how I can test everything, basically. Like, I don't know how to... Oh, wait. Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code. Eh? Oh, I closed it in anger. Classic. Oh no, I got a new one. What is this called? I actually don't know I don't know where I am. What was this called? Shopify Overlord Dev. Wait, where? Huh? What? Windows is so shit. I just searched for. Are you actually kidding me? Crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. Okay, so I need to open this. Exact phrase match does not work on Windows search in 2025. Can you imagine? Actually insane. What is wrong with Windows? Someone needs to fucking give him a kick up the arse, I swear. Like, how is that possible that exact phrase match search doesn't work on Windows? Oh, what is the? Oh, I need. Push to dev. So use everything program for search. Okay, so we push these to dev. We're going to try and run the Python commands that I need to run inside dev. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Wait, did it not put the commands? I should just need to run that, right? No, uptash MCP. Yeah, I think that's probably the fix here is uptash. I think I've fucked it up by using the same uptash for everything. Pretty painful, this whole process. I think next time I'll build everything first. build like the back end like CI/CD and everything first. Doing it part way through was a big mistake, I think, honestly. Okay, so this is still just spamming away with optimize product thing, but that might just be because I haven't run these commands yet. So let's see. So console, I don't know if I don't know if I need to run them in worker or what, but eh, why would it not have posted that? That's so weird. Oops. Ugh. What, so I can just go to Uptash and just delete everything? Uh, fuck. Stop. What is it doing? I need to stop this now. What is going on, dude? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. Uh, hmm. None of this is working. Ah, dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oops. He made me spit up my tea. I wasn't expecting that. Let's put it that way. I'm still. Oh, I'm only on worker one. Oh no, it's doing it again. Crazy, bro. And I just yeah, shit. So I just copy this. Is that how that works? Does that do anything? No. Ah. I'm guessing that didn't work. Like, that definitely didn't seem like it worked. Yeah. Possibly the most painful thing I've ever had to do in my entire life. No, nah, bruh. Bruh. Can I not even copy this shit? I hate. You. I did this yesterday. I copied it, I swear. How did I do it? Nah, bro, this is ridiculous. Ah! Oh yeah, I can just check the logs on digital. No, it's not logs though, is it? I can't see this. These are the logs. Error saving homepage SEO. I never asked it to do homepage SEO. Why is it doing that automatically? That was never what I asked it for to do. It's just completely losing its mind, isn't it? This is getting pretty. This is. Do I just start from the beginning now that I've learned all the things I've learned? That's good, Nicholas. I'm glad that you're having a good experience. I'm not. Not today, anyway. If I start crying, guys, don't worry, it's normal. I cry every day. I'm joking, obviously. Congrats, not Tony. Congrats on getting into the system, dude. I mean, you could have also just used an access code that I've shown about 50 times on the stream, but you know, you can also SQL inject me if you want. Did you break my app, or is this just AI coding? You should have taken a break, dude. You've been going pretty hard for almost a week. Yeah. I now don't have a stable format though, so like I can't stop until I have something stable. No, he's not trolling. He came in here and said he would hack me, and now has. So. I left a back door. I just let you do you now. I don't know, dude. It's pretty weird to just come on the stream and start like live talking about putting a backdoor in my system. But yeah, you do you, dude. I'll just take it all down anyway. It's not a big issue. If I start again, then you don't have a backdoor, so. I'm actually pretty close to starting again anyway, so I don't mind. You hacked my source code, so of course I will come after you. I hacked your source code. What? When? What does that even mean? I hacked your source code. So of course I will come after you. Dude, it's yeah, whatever, dude. Admin task reset, admin reset tasks, web interface for resetting all tasks, check current task queue status, clear Redis queues, mark all running jobs as failed. Hey Hamish, I just want to say hello and thank you for building and streaming this full week. I watched all days live, didn't interact. I'm also building my SaaS and start the same day as you. Hell yeah, dude. He is also dreaming of Claude code, yeah. We all are, dude. For sure. Is this no longer spamming? 1721, how's the worker doing? Probably spamming. Oh no, because I rebuilt it, that's why. Git push origin dev, why did it not rebuild? This is on staging. What the hell? Fuck, I forgot my staging things. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. You know, I keep getting this. That must be relevant, right? I envy your brain, Hamish. I remember when I was first doing this stuff, it was exciting and the lows were depressing, but it was so much fun. Thanks for building public. Hell yeah, dude. Hamish, when you get a chance later, do some code scans with these tools. PyCharm, Python Security Scanner, Pip, Audit, OWASP, Zap, they're open source. Hey, I'm not convinced yet. I know Hamish and should get sponsored by Claude, hee hee, but I'm on Windsurf and Sonnet 4, and I'm very happy to be honest, finally a model I can rely on. Good. I'll have a look at that, Nicholas, thanks. Ask your AI to log and monitor everything like activity and errors. Yeah, I should do that for sure. It's still spamming, probably. Right, okay, so I need to upgrade this first of all. Okay, rip, something else I have to pay for, but I should probably fix this first though, right? Surely. uh oops. Okay. I feel like before I should do this, I should fucking fix it. Uh, I already did add a payment method, you stupid fucking. What is this, man? Just give me. Yeah, I have a payment method. Why will you not let me buy stuff, please? There we go. Pay as you go. Yeah, pay as you go, mate. The fuck? I don't understand. Oh, I'm on pay as you go. Right, okay, sorry, yeah. Makes sense. Okay, so that should be able to connect. Let's do oh, I already did a push. It's still building. Okay, nice. Hang on, guys. I'm just doing some things that I can't really show for obvious reasons. Uh, just the- There we go. Jesus, right. Okay, so I managed to reset 6,891 Redis keys, which seems like a net positive, right? Not Redis, uptime. I don't understand. Why is this? It's still not letting me connect. Because I'm in full, right? Oh no, unlimited. Okay, so it should be working now. I probably need to make a new Redis database thing. Are you paying for this Opus 4? No, it's I'm on the max plan, so I'm using a $200 a month plan, but I don't have to worry about usage and cost and things. Much more efficient. Okay, so we're here. Everything should be gone, but it's still going. Why are the tasks still going? Something is making them run continuously. Please God, figure it out before I lose my job. Come on. This is it. There's obviously some kind of issue here that it'll be able to spot for sure. I should have probably given it digital. Get the logs if you need them using the MCP. Oh God, what a pain this has been. I've basically achieved absolutely nothing today. What's the title of this stream? It better not be something like positive. It better be something super negative. I actually don't know what the stream is called. What is the stream called? Making a SaaS completely solo live Claude code Opus 4. Yeah, shit. More like doing absolutely nothing for however many hours I've been live. 2 hours. I should rename it to Achieving Absolutely Nothing in 2 hours. Wait, if it can't connect to Redis, what the hell is going on? Why is it still doing tasks? What? What have you learned today? Uh, just hang on, let me just think about what to do with my life. 1 second. Redis is still not working, even though I just upgraded. How do I like reset it? There must be like a way. Well, it's free. Whatever. Okay, so I think we might have fixed it. Let's have a look. What have you learned today? What have you learned today? How to not code, probably. Okay, so I'm just updating the Redis URL and stuff to be used on prod, and oh no, it's compacting. Worst time, worst possible time. That was possibly the worst compact I've ever seen in my entire life. Let's see if anything is fixed or if we're still in the shitter. There's so many annoying emails about sponsors, though, it's crazy. I don't want to be sponsored by some random fucking... Oh, worst compact ever. Okay, let's see if this is working. Okay. Okay, at least it's not completely going crazy anymore, which is good. We're connected to Redis. Is quad code better than Windsurf? I think it's like no, we're connected. It's all good. It's I think I've actually fixed it, which is amazing. Doesn't seem to just be going completely crazy anymore. There should be no tasks, except for some reason these random 2 tasks, but 1740. So it's still just, I don't understand. Were these not all reset? Oh, they were completed successfully. Oh, nice. Okay, so they ran, and then it did the optimizations. What about the collections? Okay, so what's going on here? Stop. So for some reason, the alt text thing is still just going for it. Is it because there's no quota on it? I guess could be a explanation. This is what it's doing right now. It's just going crazy over here. There we go. Where are the logs for all the things that are happening right now? I'm on staging, I can see alt text optimization happening. But there's nothing here. Is it in web? Suddenly? What the hell is going on? It's rebuilding. Oh yeah, no, it's not. Wait, what if I just turn this off for now? Failed to update automation setting. Beautiful. Failed to save settings. What is going on? Literally nothing is working right now. Why is it just continuing to do daily text optimizations? Just stop, bro. Please. Hamish and Future should crop out the URL from the stream, a bit of security. Yeah, true. I'll be live soon anyway with a live website. So. Well, possibly. I might have to start again, but if that doesn't happen, let's just see if the issues are fixed here. Oh, this is actually a different issue, so I'm glad that that didn't. Oh, right. It's because I'm not logged in, right? What is this? The whole system's just falling apart right now. It's actually crazy. Yeah, everything is about incremental. True. Do you use the max plan? Yep, I do indeed. And it's very worth it. I don't know how much energy I have left, guys. This is kind of annoying that this has happened. I now don't have a dev branch or anything that is reliable or stable. Crazy. I've lost so much progress. I wonder if I could just redo the, like, not everything, but just certain parts, like the database and Celery and scheduling, but keep everything else kind of the same. Reset the DB. Code might be fine, yeah, fair. Wait, suddenly there are 3 products that are optimized. What? Oh, were these done before? Oh, they were done before. So, I mean, it kind of worked. You can't go back further, but it was working until these alt text images started fucking going crazy. I think it's quite close to being ready and working, but I guess we'll see. We don't give up. 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 No matter how hungry we get. I have another idea, adding some CI/CD pipelines, vibe coding, having test staging, prod-ems. Yeah, I'm going to have a look at stuff like that because I can't handle doing this shit myself. Okay, so that should work, right, if it's been properly... Yeah. I'm connected to Hello Craft Agency. Maybe it's expired. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, all that shit still works. The main problem here is the automation stuff. Right, there it is, look. That was the issue, was that there was no, yeah. The database, when I moved over, just got completely fucked up. I think I might move the database back to the prod database. I don't know how bad sharing the prod database with the dev database is. Ever since I did that, I had massive problems, so. How bad is sharing the dev and prod on the prod database? Feel like the dev database is messed up. Can you let me know how bad it would be? It's bad. You would say that though, Kenrick. See what Claude says. Sharing production is very bad and risky, right? Okay, fair. I did try and clone it, but keep databases separate. Let me see if it just finds any differences. Yeah, look, there is a difference, you can see, in the number of lines. Why would they be different? They should be mirrored. They should have been mirrored. Okay, did it? No. I thought it stopped doing this. Okay, so ooh. The thing I don't get is where the hell are these tasks coming from? Why is it still just doing... It's still just going for it. Like, why, dude? Is this doing this on prod? I guess I should check. Probably though, right? And we go back. Yeah, look. The dev database was just completely wrong. Like, so I probably just went through all that for no reason. Hey, Zayab. Might be easy to ask Claude what the flow of the code is. You may see an error this way. Okay, so this is prod. Is prod just also just spamming shit here or not? Yeah. Where are these coming from? So weird, dude. Oh, so there were some translations done. Nice. Prod seems to be in a better state, at least. Staging is just... Oh no, staging is also good. What page is this? Search console. Why are there more pages here? Huh? Oh, they're using different databases. Oh, right. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. So even though prod is still... Oh, but I guess because it's using the same Redis cache. Yeah, okay. I see. Dev is causing the problems in prod. That makes sense. I mean, they need to be using different Redis caches, whatever the fucking word is. Yeah, this should actually fix the issues at least. Want to ask that I haven't worked with Superbase. Can you tell me how does it perform? It's pretty good, yeah. It just has there's some little bits that I'm not a big fan of. Like it can cause problems where SQLite was not causing me any problems, but SQLite wasn't enough for what I'm trying to build, so I had to make the change. So the database issues inside dev are not allowing it's not showing that I believe this is what is happening. The alt tags are not being shown as done. As you can see, if I go on, why is everything so slow, dude? If I go on technical SEO on any of these, it says 0 optimized images, but they're all here. So I think what's happening is yeah, there we go. Look, optimized images 1. So now it should stop looping because it's actually being shown as done in the dev database. So things should be able to move on. I think that was the issue. But it's still spamming through. It's still just going absolutely crazy. But at least I can see the logs now, at least. As if that was database related. That's crazy. Makes sense, though. I really thought it was code related, but it makes sense that it's database. It just seems to be repeatedly queuing. What should I eat today, guys? I've got some more chicken and salad. I actually did have chicken and salad yesterday. What else did I buy? I could make pasta, make a nice pasta sauce with tuna and tomato. I make pretty good pasta, guys, living in Naples for 5 years, I must say. What are you having today, Kenrick? The grind is real, dude. The grind is real. What's everyone having tonight for food then? Oh, there we go. I also need to update the code. Nice. Okay. I've got a bit of faith in this fix, I must admit. Where the fuck? Why is it? It didn't actually push them, right? No, of course I didn't. Why would I do such a thing? Yes, I pushed the changes. Oh. Oh. Oh, right. Lol. Fair enough, mate. Fair enough. What MCPs are you using Claude Code? I'm using DigitalOcean MCP. I'm using another one, Superbase MCP, and I'm using the Shopify MCP, which I'm not using at the minute because I haven't added a new feature in a day. But Shopify MCP gives access to the Shopify documentation, which is super helpful. It's a bit like having a mini Shopify expert sitting next to you at all times while building whatever you're building. It's actually pretty epic, to be fair. I might actually make a video about that today. Videos that are just, this MCP is amazing, seem to do quite well right now, so. It is a pretty good MCP, to be fair. Right, runtime logs, worker. Come on, what you got for me? No jobs running. Good. Good. I'm not getting spammed. What is this? Why are you processing? Why is it? Why? Stop. One active tasks. Why is it still doing that? It's crazy, bro. Staging, staging. Are they coming from prod? Is that what's happening? Possibly, right? Oh, because I haven't pushed them to prod. Yeah, no, true. Stop, 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 stop. It's because I didn't push to prod. I didn't push to prod. Thanks. Right, okay, so prod is right, that makes sense because it's using the same Redis cache. That's the disadvantage of using the same website on prod and dev. I definitely need to change that. That was very confusing for a long time there. I didn't know what the fuck was going on, but it makes sense. The fix makes sense. I feel like we've actually made a lot of progress today, and we've learned that database issues can cause huge issues in the entire project that don't seem to come from the project itself. So I think it's kind of obvious when it's a database thing, when it's just spamming for no reason suddenly, it's kind of obvious, right? If you think about it. So once this is done here, once I reset all again, I'm hoping that it won't just continue doing this. I'm guessing it won't. Yeah. So this was the problem that we had previously. As soon as this is done building, I should be able to reset everything. And then we can turn it on again and we can see if it works tonight, basically, would be the plan. I might put it so that the time is a bit earlier, and I might have it do one more, like, check over to see if everything's working. I think what happened last night was database issues. That's why it didn't work. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'll probably manually trigger everything once now to see what happens. See if everything's working. Reset everything, and then I'll stop streaming. And then tomorrow, when I start streaming, we'll see together whether it actually worked or not. But yeah, overall, very, very successful stream. Enjoyed it. I'm going to make a video after this about the Shopify MCP and why I think it's so damn good. And then I'm going to ring my fiance and play some Counter-Strike. I would say there's about half an hour left of the stream. So let's lock in for this last half an hour, guys. And let's see if we can get this into a... Like, I was about to rebuild everything. Think about that for a second. So shout out to Kenrick for pushing that it was a database issue, because I really... It's hard to tell the first time you build something what's causing the errors. The second time you build with a stack, you'll understand the errors much more quickly. What is this? I missed most of it. I just tuned in. Hey, dude, how you doing? Sunvet, thanks for tuning in again. This is fine. I know what's causing this problem. I can fix this easily. But I mean, this should have stopped. This is still going. Come on, bro. It's not possible. How is it still going? Stop. Where is it even coming from? Oh, because it didn't build, so it... Oh, no, it did build. Wait, what? This is fixing now. Wait. I'm just fixing it on the side here using the DigitalOcean MCP. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Pretty good stream, 60 concurrent viewers at one point, which is nice. Okay, so that should now be building. Is this still going? Yep, it's still going. Where is this coming from, bro? I just don't understand. Okay, it's disabled. I just disabled it for now. Like, it's going crazy. Like, let's have a look. Worker, is it connected? Yeah, good. Task received. Fetch this. Did that actually work? Error. Working outside of context. This typically means you attempt to use functionality in an active HTTP request. Okay. So we've not got any more spam. It's still going. How? The fuck, bro? Face it. Why face it? What's so random, dude? Maybe it's because the database has like an old like thing in it saying, do this task, do this task. Where is this being generated though? It doesn't make any sense. Is it Docker? Is it using Docker? It's using Docker, isn't it? Where's Docker? It's using Docker, I just realized. You absolute... Nah, bro. Nah, that's not even possible that that's just happened. It's using Docker. Oh my god. That is actually insane, bro. Nah, what the fuck, dude? I'm in awe at my stupidity, and I, that's crazy, bro. It was using Docker the whole fucking time, and I didn't even realize. Alright, so lesson learned, do not use the same Redis cache ever for prod, dev, and dev local dev. I understand now why you need an individual thing for each fucking thing. Next time I build something, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the infrastructure for CI/CD. I'm going to say, okay, I need local dev. Hey, Lauti, I just spent 30 minutes trying to fix something and then realized that it was using Docker on my system. So we have local dev, we have dev, and we have prod. Each one needs its own Redis cache using Uptash, right? Each one needs its own Supabase, so that's why people build them locally, I guess, Supabase. And each one needs its own, well, this needs Docker, the local dev needs Docker. So you build all of this first, right? So you can start building now, but then you push to dev once you've got something that is worth doing. And then eventually, once you want to go to prod, you have a prod as well. So yeah, I completely messed this up, and I only thought about CI/CD like partway through. Can I just, please, can you just close Docker? Like, I can't believe it was using Docker the whole time. It's actually insane. I've been sat here trying to work that out for, like, I didn't understand what was going on. It stopped. It's finally stopped. It's finally stopped. Reset all. I was trying to figure it out. It's like it's impossible. Like, where is it coming from? But yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so we're at a pretty good point now. I believe that everything should be working nicely. There shouldn't be anything here unless I turn it on. Is there a way that I can check? Let's just grab this back real quick. Is there a Python script in my project I can use to check current scheduled tasks? Question mark? Okay, so everything is reset. This is on staging. These are all turned on. So if I run this now, there shouldn't be any problems. There should not be any problems. There's already a problem. Alt text optimization enable OpenAI key not configured. Okay, I just want to see it do something. I just want to see it do something, just quickly. Is this prod or... Oh, this is prod. I can see the problem now. You really need a different environment for everything you're working in it. This isn't doing anything. This should be going. Wait, where did I run it on? Yeah, prod, dev. There we go. What's that? Task receive search console. Task create kitten blazers collection. Why has it just randomly done that though? Why is it not doing the products first? It must have just had some tags left over from what? Why is it just creating collections? That's so strange. I don't understand. We're making progress. It is kind of working. I just need to understand why it's being weird about it. Don't start spamming. It's spamming again. these all different products, or are they all the same product? They're all just the same product over and over. Sorry guys, I'm getting a bit frustrated, I guess would be the word. It's just the same thing over and over. Yeah, keep pushing. It's gonna do a slash compact. Fuck my life. Oh, it's compacting. This is just. I need to get through this. Couldn't have picked a worse time to compact. The worst time to compact. No, it's just like it's come to a fresh fucking. Oh. This is like the most frustrating thing ever. I need to use Docker. I have to. It's the only way. And I need to turn it off after. I don't have Docker running. Oh, this is just so annoying. Kind of losing my mind a little bit here. I just turned Docker off, for God's sake. Just can't be fucked. Just can't be fucked with this right now, honestly. Hola, amigo. Still working on the same thing. Just losing my mind a bit. I don't think he wants to share his Git. Which is fine. Like, some people have some pretty, like I have a lot of M for variables on my Git, for example. Can I run 2 projects at once in VS Code? Yeah. Guys, I might have to stop streaming. Susanna's not. What? What happened? Wait. Wait, guys, sorry, one sec. What's up? I'm back. Sorry about that. Let us see if this has done anything. Okay, so it says no tasks are stuck in a loop. Is that true? No. This is the most frustrating thing I've ever had to deal with. I'm running out of steam for sure here, guys. For sure, for sure. It must be able to find the problem here. It has to. It's crazy. Please just find the problem, please. Ti prego. Ti prego. Per favore, per favore. You still on? How's it going? I fixed some problems and now I've got new problems. I found the issue! Please, please actually have found the issue. Right. Wow, that makes so much sense. Okay, I'm pretty confident this is an actual fix this time. Why not use Cursor? It's an interesting stream because I've been looking at trying Claude Code. I prefer Claude Code. There's no proper reason for that necessarily, I wouldn't say, but I just, yeah, I just prefer Claude Code. Okay, let's add a Python 3 to these three commands. Python 3. There's another storm in Ireland, classic Ireland. Python 3. Python 3. Okay, right. I'm hoping this is actually a fix this time. Let's see. Did it not even build? Oh, it's building. I'm so sick of people telling me about Taskmaster and stuff. Like, I didn't make the most popular videos on, well, some of the most popular videos on Taskmaster. I've still got people telling me daily, oh, this is shit, just try Taskmaster. It's like, bro, I know about Taskmaster. I'm not using it for a reason. The fuck? I really need all of these. There must be a way to extract these other than doing pictures. So the runtime ultra. Is this still going? Yeah. Ah, these commands worked again. Classic. Let's just do one by one. I guess that's the best way to do it. This is the worst thing to do. It's so annoying. So I'll save this as clear alt text .png. Okay, I'll refresh that. Run this one. That wasn't a reference before what I said, by the way, to anyone in the chat. I just got a comment saying, thank me later, try Taskmaster. It's like, bro, I've been using Taskmaster for ages. You shouldn't refresh. This is like the worst possible CI/CD system that I could have come up with. This is absolutely awful. Can't even copy the fucking output. Crazy. See if we can find the images. Help me, please, God. No, no. No, what was that, dude? I hate Windows. I hate Windows. Windows is the worst system. I'm getting off Windows as soon as I can. I'm so sick of Windows. How do you, does that work? Yeah. What do you mean doesn't exist? Change to Mac, yeah. I do actually have a Mac already. The Mac was like, honestly, Mac, I turned on my Mac and in 12 minutes I was on Claude Code with GitHub set up. Yeah, I know WSL is shit. It's awful. It's been a really bad dev experience. It's been better than Windows though, I've got to say. Why did that not trigger a build? It should trigger a build. Why did that not trigger a build? Am I crazy? Did it push to main? What did you just push to main? I can't believe it just did that. What the fuck? I can't believe it just randomly pushed to main. Why would it do that? It's so weird. AI is so dumb sometimes. Opus, they've made Opus stupider in the last 4 days. Oh my god, I've already gone over the free. Oh, this is a nightmare, dude. I'm ridiculous, bro. I've already gone over the limit. Oh, but there's a cost, so why does it matter? What do you mean? We are reaching out to you because your usage has exceeded your plan's quota. As a result, your request has been rejected due to exceeding the maximum request size limit. Here are some details about the plan 10 megabytes. Have you have it go to Pro Let's see. That was the command from before. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that should build. Should be built. I should be able to do this in prod anyway, because it's the same. Okay, come on. Come on. I need these commands to work, please. I just need you to work so I can start. It's going to be too big, right? Iron batches. Okay. Smart. I had 12,000 requests in there. That's crazy, dude. Absolutely crazy. Okay, at least it's fixing it for once. I mowed my lawn today. Crazy. Sorry, I'm not reading the chat right now, guys. I've lost my mind a little bit. I'm just trying to get this working. But thanks for sticking with me, guys. This has been pretty brutal, but we've learned a lot today about databases, cron jobs, things like that. Not having the same uptash cache for each project, building CI/CD from the beginning, planning all that. I've got a really good understanding of Stack now, in my opinion. And I feel like if I started this entire project again, I could build it in a day. Gone from not understanding Celery, not knowing how to do cron tasks, none of that shit, to having a really good understanding of that stuff. Redis, I understand. And to be honest with you, I don't think starting again would be the worst thing. I think I could build this in a much more robust fashion. Wait, does that say 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. So it should have cleared them at least, right? Okay, Mark 2 jobs has failed, so it shouldn't just be looping right now, at least. So let's see if that's true. Is it stopped? Is it over? Or is it still going? It stopped. The loop is broken, so it moved on to translate. What is that alt text optimization? I'm sorry, but what is that? Ugh, fucking Jesus! I'm losing my mind over here. This might be a case of coming back to it later, but this is my dev environment. I've got nothing left. This wasn't supposed to be how it went. It's still doing them. It's still looping. Can you stop looping, please? Please don't put another task here. Optimization tracking fixed. Please don't just be spamming. Wow, we're using AI to make SEO pages. Yep, that's the plan. That is the plan. Feel like it's stopped, or it's doing it properly at least. I feel like it's working now, and it's just doing it in order. So let's reset everything. Reset all. Okay, let's reset everything. I feel like we're getting somewhere. Why is that task stop with that task? AI content farm, something like that, yeah. Is it prod that's giving this task? It shouldn't even be doing this anymore. Is Docker running? No. It seems to actually be tracking now at least. There's only one here. There's another one. So it is actually tracking now. Good. Where is it getting these tasks from? Oh, this is prod. Rip. I need to run it on both. Yeah, probably. Okay. Probably won't launch it until it's fully ready this time. I think that was another mistake. Moving out of localhost has just been an absolute nightmare. I definitely need to fix that for next time. Actually, I don't know if it's looping necessarily. It needs to finish 25 first. Why is it? I'm just going to change this to 5, and then I think we can make some progress here. This is the staging app. Let's see what's going on in the worker. It's still just looping. It's crazy, dude. Is it different products though, at least? Let's see, product 1. It is different products. It's looping through different products at least, I think. Yeah, it is. Cesare Attolini, Premiata. Yeah, okay. So I know what the problem is now. It's just trying to complete them all, which is not what it's supposed to be doing, but at least it's a fixable action instead of it just doing some random shit I didn't ask it to. This is the fix. This is the fix I've been waiting for. Fix it, Claude. Yeah, right. Okay, right. We've just got to keep faith, guys. Claude is the best AI in the entire world, and it never makes any mistakes, and we'll all be fine, right? We're all gonna be absolutely fine, probably. Right, guys? Tell me I'm right, please. This'll work, right? This time. This time it'll work. The other 437 times were just a warm-up. This time it will work. All the other times they were just working up to this one time where for some reason it's gonna work, right? We all know it's gonna work. It's all good. It's all good. It's fine. No one's got any doubt. No doubt in my mind whatsoever. I'm guessing the Python script it wrote won't even work. That's my guess. No. You gotta be positive. You gotta be positive. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Maybe the vibe's wrong. I need to be more upbeat. Come on, it's gonna work this time. I know for a fact. Let's go. Console, bang. Worker, bang. This is gonna work first time. No way it doesn't work. 100% it works. It's not gonna work. Come on, man. Come on, vibes are up. Vibes are up. First, run this, and it's gonna work. First time, no problems. Perfect. Then we run this, and it's gonna work. First time, no problems. Perfect. See, look at that. Bang. Go on, get rid of them all. Damn, it actually worked. Let's go. It's gonna work this time. It's gonna work, it's gonna work, it's gonna work. See, look at that, it's working. Emergency clear complete. What this did, removed all daily tasks from queue, removed all optimized, marked all jobs as failed. What does this one do? To mark existing optimized tags, monitor with monitor tasks. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see. Runtime logs. Oh, why is the first thing I see daily alt text optimization? I need to run this in prod maybe as well. That's why. Possibly. That would make sense. No, would it though? It must be prod. Okay. Never, ever, ever share databases and Redis. It's a terrible idea, guys. I should be ashamed of myself. Hey, dude, learned a lot from your YouTube. Started coding 6 weeks ago on my third project. Hell yeah, dude. Okay. This feels like this is the final hurdle. Sharing Redis was a stupid fucking idea. Not only that, sharing the same store inside the same Redis on different versions. I think I just hate myself. I think that's the problem here. Dude, what you got for me, Kenrick? Feel like you're gonna blast me. Oh, yeah, I've got a missed call. Hang on. Oh, right, okay. Nothing. I get so freaked out when I see a missed call. I'm so weird, dude. There's literally nothing. Like, I'm always like, oh my god, what's happened? The fact that you are not doing this on Dio is wild to me. This should have been. Yeah, I know. I know, dude. I know. Trust me, I know. I completely regret my life choices. Um, but yeah, what's done is done. What's done is done. You can all learn from my mistakes. What do I need to do? Run fix optimization tracking. I think this is the final fix. I will never make this mistake again. Remember, until yesterday, I hadn't really even launched my own project before, so, or 2 days ago, or whatever. Okay, so reset all, reset all. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I shouldn't see any fucking tasks here. If I do, I'm gonna lose my shit and I'm probably gonna stop streaming. If it makes a new task already, a vault task, please God. This is staging, it doesn't matter, staging, production, whatever. Just don't make any more tasks, please. Why? That's a joke, right? What is causing this? Where is it getting these tasks from? Wait, I'm so confused now. It shouldn't even be running anymore. What? Oh, that's why. Because the prod database didn't get the same changes, I guess. To optimize products. Where did they come from? I just reset everything. Search control metrics. Okay, so what now? I need to run that again, I guess. Let's try run them here instead. Emergency cleared by admin stopping loops. Wait, maybe I need to let it run instead of resetting it. There's still more jobs coming. Like, how is that even possible? There are no daily tasks. Maybe they were just left out. Oh, I need to. I'm so confused. That's prod. There are no tasks. What? How is it still doing things? There are no tasks. Ah. No tasks. Still no tasks. Is someone trolling me? Is someone like... It's still processing things, but Docker's... Oh, wait. No, it's not running on Visual Studio Code. Docker. Docker's not running, right? Where is he getting those tasks from? I'm so... Uh, maybe I need... Maybe I need to run these scripts inside Docker as well, because it's still got the loop. That would be a really weird error. If I've called that, that's crazy. I am a developer if I've just worked that out. I refuse to believe that I'm not a developer if I've just worked that out. How do you do this? Like that, right? And then it's like that, and then contains Shopify. Ah, right. Good start. Well, I might need to do Docker build. Oh, it's from the old one. Wait. Oh my god, I'm in the wrong fucking directory. I'm not even editing the right code. Or am I? Oh, Let me just get my shit together real quick. Oh no, this is the right code. Yeah, no, it's fine. I'm editing the right code. Does this have Docker stuff? No. Are they coming from the old thing? Docker Compose. I think I know what's happening. I think I finally know. I understand what's going on. It's somehow it's using this, right? How do I? No configuration file. It's using this. This is what's happening. For sure. Yeah. You absolute. That's fucked, dude. Wait, where's. Okay, wait. I cannot believe that I've just. I, I don't. I don't know what to tell you guys, honestly. It's somehow still. I didn't even know that was possible. Didn't even know that was possible. That's crazy. What did you work out? It's using this old fucking Docker thing that wasn't even running. And how? I didn't even know that was a thing. Like I didn't even know that was possible. I thought once you did Control C here, it just stopped. So when you turn off Docker, it doesn't actually stop, or like because it's a celery task or what? Like I don't. Does anyone have any explanation as to what the fuck, how that's even possible? I got messed up pretty badly by that. Docker was fully turned off. Like I left the app and everything. Okay, let's see. Let's just see if this works. Uh, yeah, there they are. That's the tasks right there. 27. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's the task. So I had 3 different systems all creating 25 tasks a minute for 20 hours or some shit. Jesus. Damn, that's like the definition of vibe coding, right? Fucking hell. How to vibe code your way into a fucking mess more like, Jesus Christ, dude. Insane the amount of time I've just wasted. So it was somehow still running. It's still running. Please just stop running. God damn, dude. Now we're really vibe coding. Vibes are off though, that's the only problem. Jesus, no wonder I had so many things in Redis. That is crazy, dude. Anyway, lesson learned. Lesson learned for sure. Don't use 3 different environments with 3 different everything. This is taking ages to run. Jesus. This is going to take like, what, this has been like 3 minutes and it's only done 1 out of 27,000? It's going to take like an hour. Fuck, this is going to take ages, dude. Please stop. Wouldn't Docker also have to be using my new code fixes too? Otherwise, it will keep leaving. This has been the worst vibe coding experience of my life. To be honest with you guys, I think I'm probably just going to stop streaming. I'll just keep fixing this because this isn't really stream worthy and this is going to take like an hour at least, it seems, at the current rate. And it's still producing more jobs, so. Yeah, I'm gonna stop streaming, guys. I'm gonna just try to get this in a workable position. All I'm gonna do is just get all of this fixed and then leave it tonight and see if the automations work, basically. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for keeping me company. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna give my fiance a ring. I'm gonna make some food and that, and let this run in the background. So yeah, know that people need to see this. Tell that to my fiance, dude. Refresh your vibes. Yeah, I need to refresh my vibes a bit. This is gonna take an hour. Like, people do not need to see this for an hour. Like, nah. It's no good. It's no good, boys. I'm gonna finish there. See you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.